Welcome to Offshift Academy. So you've seen the term PriFi circulating around the crypto space, but you're not quite sure what it means. In this video, we're going to break down PriFi, why it matters, and why it's relatively unprecedented in crypto today. Bitcoin and its early companions, among them Litecoin and Doge, introduced blockchain and its most basic service offering to the world. Simply put, these Blockchain 1.0 applications allowed users to store and transact digital assets over a decentralized network. In suit, Monero and Zcash emerged as privacy coins that could be stored and transacted over their own decentralized networks without exposing user address or balance information. Years later, innovative cryptocurrency projects began to emerge that facilitated decentralized applications of finance, lending and borrowing pools, synthetic asset platforms, insurance protocols, and more. Called DeFi for short, these Blockchain 2.0 applications run almost exclusively on Ethereum and employ the Ethereum virtual machine and Solidity smart contract modules. So where are the Moneros and Zcashes of DeFi? Here's the challenge. The Ethereum blockchain is designed for programmability and Turing completeness. Ethereum's developer tools and operating environment, while best in class, are not conducive to privacy-centric applications. Accordingly, users now stand at a crossroads where they cannot access the excitement and innovation at the forefront of DeFi, not to mention enticing yields, without foregoing their personal privacy. In the age of surveillance capitalism, data is more valuable than ever, especially in what we do with our money. In the social media space, Facebook, Twitter, and others monetize our data. But in the financial landscape, mass market applications monetize our money. In 2020 alone, stock trading mobile app Robinhood made nearly $700 million selling user data to hedge funds. And in the crypto space, blockchain data analytics companies Chainalysis and Nansen are hard at work aggregating user transaction data to sell to governments and private interests alike. Needless to say, privacy matters, be it for humanitarian purposes or economic means. And right now, Ethereum DeFi operates purely in the public domain. In the mission to bring privacy to DeFi, many development teams have resorted to bringing DeFi to privacy, building standalone blockchains outside the Ethereum ecosystem, its node body, robust consensus, brilliant community, and deep user base. In order to be successful, off-chain solutions must first become prominent, robust blockchain ecosystems in their own right, which means attracting the developers, users, and capital that are already hard at work on Ethereum. Other teams have built private financial applications on Ethereum, but have sacrificed decentralization in order to do so by building on layer 2s. Decentralization is the key component that makes cryptocurrency platforms innovative in the first place. Without it, we are merely migrating legacy finance to less efficient architecture. In order to clear the air and delineate a principled definition for PriFi, Offshift has established the PriFi standard. A true bona fide application of PriFi, 1. Facilitates truly decentralized DeFi applications, 2. Confers unequivocal privacy, and 3. Operates completely on-chain, that is, on Ethereum Layer 1. Offshift Core is proud to be developing the world's first true PriFi platforms and to bring on-chain private DeFi to the Ethereum community. Want to know how we do it? For a deep dive on PriFi, check out our CoinDesk op-ed, DeFi Without Privacy is Predatory, and our FCC presentation, DeFi 2.0, The Dawn of Private DeFi, in the link description below. And as always, come join us on Telegram to talk PriFi with our team and our community of PriFi pioneers. Until then, we'll see you next time at Offshift Academy.